Hi guys, in the morning here had some pancakes and I got this recipe from a book called Isa Does It. The only thing I changed with this recipe, it called for 2 tablespoons of oil and I added half a cup of applesauce instead and it turned out perfect. I'll be sauteing some vegetables in a bit of water instead of oil, and I'll be making a tahini sauce to go on top. For the tahini sauce, I've added some nutritional yeast flakes, some tahini, some lemon juice and water, and some spices. For dinner, I'm making some quinoa stuffed bell peppers. I'm adding some zucchini, some black beans, canned tomatoes, and there's no salt added to this can, some lettuce, and right now I'm just stuffing the peppers. And on the top I'm adding some nutritional yeast flakes. Right now I'm just covering them up with tin foil and I'm going to be baking them for 30 to 40 minutes at 375 degrees. For this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you'd like to know all the info to this video, it's in the description box below, and I'll see you guys next week for another vegan toddler meals. Bye!